we are changing things up on Yap's Money Life Show. Instead of my usual sharing, I will be giving you an inside look at the thought process and the level of professionalism which I apply when advising and consulting my client in my practice. I thought rather than guessing what you, the viewers, want, the new format allows me to share financial issues which matters to you.
Would you advise now is a good time to use our EPF to invest in licensed funds?
I would say that when you ask a question like whether this is a good time to invest in share market in Malaysia, whether this is a good time to buy property, and I would say, of course, every time is a good time, provided that you have prepared yourself. What do I mean that you have prepared yourself? Number one, you are very clear about your own financial position. You have got a holistic financial plan done for yourself and you know what is your financial freedom target return. You have done a cash flow management for yourself. You know how much cash reserve you have provided. And you also know exactly what is your current asset allocation. How many major asset classes have you got and what else are you looking for? So when you have prepared yourself in such a way, you will know that you want to invest into another unit trust, whether it's a Malaysia equity or whether it's an Asia Pacific equity. Is it going to help you improve your asset allocation or is it going to derail your asset allocation? So I always emphasize any investment is all neutral. Whether this investment is good or bad, it all depends on who is investing it and who is buying it.
Rather than us, in unit trust, what are the indicators to? Number one, rebalance my portfolio. Number two, take profit. Number three, top up investment into my current holdings.
I would say different investors have got different risk profile, different financial plan, different cash flow position. It depends on whether you are investing into equity unit trust, or a Malaysia equity unit trust, or Asia Pacific equity unit trust. So based on all these different factors, it will affect as to at which point you do your rebalancing, profit taking, and at which point you should top it up. So the idea is that you're setting something that you feel comfortable. What's important is to set all these parameters before you start investing. So when the time comes, when that investment hit certain percentage, that's where you take profit.
Instead of investing directly into properties, I'm considering REITs. So question, Mr. Yap, do you invest in REITs? And number two, if you do, which type of REITs do you recommend?
I do not think that REITs is a replacement of physical property. Mainly because physical property provide capital growth, provide rental income, and physical property is an investment that you can leverage quite easily using bank loan. REITs provide you some form of rental income, capital appreciation considered inferior compared to physical property, and you can't use loan conveniently to leverage on your REIT investment.
If money is important to you, please remember to subscribe to my channel.